Here to debate whether now is a good time to buy and own Tesla shares, Garrett Nelson of CFRA. He has a $210 price target on the stock, rates it a strong buy. And Craig Irwin of Roth Capital, he has an $85 price target and rates Tesla a hold. Craig, how long have you been that bearish on Tesla? It's a long way from your price target.
Yeah, you remember it's been about close to 2 years that I've been saying as Tesla became egregiously overvalued, that it was not long-term sustainable. They do not operate in a vacuum. They're going to be 500 EVs on the road by 2025. And yeah, they deserve a lot of credit for creating the market, basically. But we need to bring some rationality, some logic to valuation. And, you know, Toyota's smaller market cap, and Tesla doesn't have anything that Toyota doesn't. That's kind of irrational valuation, in my view.
Garrett, do you think that Tesla has something that Toyota doesn't have? That has been the bull case for a long time, that Tesla has something that nobody else has.
Absolutely, we do. And it's their battery technology. It's their innovation. It's the fact they produce the two best-selling EVs in the U.S. by a wide margin, the Model 3 and the Model Y. And, you know, we view the stock's valuation as highly compelling at these levels. Remember, Tesla fell by 65% last year. It was a broad-based EV sell-off. So its decline wasn't as bad as some of its peers, such as Lucid and Rivian, both of which fell by 82%. But we feel that so much of the headwinds are priced in at these levels that it's really a compelling buy, and investors will be glad that they bought the stock at these levels, looking down the road, you know, 1, 3, 5 years from now.
There are some headwinds, though. You acknowledge, Garrett. What are the? Can you summarize the top 3 headwinds? I mean, is it good for market share that you see prices discounted? Is it are supply constraints? Are those still affecting deliveries so that they're not going to be what had been promised? And what about Mr. Musk's other interests, if you will?
No, I think you just reeled off the major concerns there. You know, it's really demand has been a major worry of investors. Production, Tesla's quarterly production has exceeded its sales for the last 3 quarters, so they've built some inventory. But what they've done to respond is cut prices, which they just announced a week or 2 ago, and also the company's lower-priced Model 3 and Model Y vehicles are now eligible for a $7,500 federal EV tax credit. So we think those 2 things are really helping stimulate their sales. We're seeing that anecdotally in some of the sales data that we've seen recently. As far as Elon's interest in Twitter, that's still the number one headwind for the stock, just the uncertainty regarding whether he might possibly sell additional Tesla shares at some point down the road in order to continue to fund Twitter's operations.